Lights on. BMW Experience. Listen to that. What I like most about BMWs is the shifter. Every generation is just perfect. Look how light it goes into a gear. A little oversteer. This is what joy should be all about. Taking your car for a good drive. Surprised how good it handles, although it's over 25 years old. I'm sure you're seeing it on the camera, but the ratio of the wheel is unbelievable. You have to turn like crazy. It's not that you just have 1.5 rounds. You have almost 2 rounds to turn the wheel. What do you think of that, huh? 4th gear. Imagine this to be a M5 with a 3.2 liter. You know, it's not the most expensive car that gives you the most joy. Most of the time, people will be much more happy with a not so expensive car. Like me, I have an Aston Martin. For what? For what? I'm having almost as much joy of driving this one. But you know, like life is a bitch, and you always strive for more. It's never enough, you know. But this is a beautiful bring back to my childhood, to childhood memories, and absolutely, I'm enjoying every moment of this drive. Listen to it. Let's accelerate from 0. Woo! That's what BMWs are about. Driving pleasure. Listen how loud it is with the exhaust. People are thinking I'm driving whatever, the new Supra. No, I'm driving something better, a BMW 525. E34. I think there's not much that's more joyful than this. 6-cylinder, rear-wheel driven, inline 6, an old BMW style, beautiful shifter, manual gearbox, a good exhaust. It isn't even fast, but I enjoy every moment of it. It feels fast though. It really feels fast because it's old technology. Let's see how we can keep up with this. I'm having a race with an S3. I'm driving at my limit. Oh shit. I'm having a race with an Audi S3 Cabrio. Holy crap, that was crazy.